So as it relates to TikTok or anything, it could be Insta Reels, it could be YouTube Shorts, it could be anything. I always love the idea of you have to meet people where they are, right? Which is why I showed you the Domo Analytics World Economic Forum report of like where are people really getting, where are they working, where are they getting their research from, how are they consuming information on the internet, living and working. And so there is an opportunity, I think, with tools like TikTok. Now, I do know on the flip side, there are privacy and security concerns about TikTok, and what I have challenged people in policy positions to think about is all the social media platforms have an element of, in my opinion, algorithms that are scary because we have a lack of transparency, as well as attention to privacy of individual privacy, also not the best track records. And that's whether they're American-based companies or whether they're internationally based companies. And so I always challenge policy to be even and to be fair. So TikTok has a US office, and they've been doing a lot of work to separate TikTok USA, North America, from parent company. But it is hard to run away from your origin story, right? You know, ask any superhero. It's very hard to run away from your origin story. So, but I do love the idea, and I would say for people who are thinking about that creation, you can find ways to minimize the security and privacy concerns around TikTok, right? So you can create a generic profile, you can make sure how it's used and how it's presented, and you could do a lot of things to make that instance more secure.